If your door hinge bushings look like this on the outside, they probably look like this on the inside. Deteriorating door hinge bushings make opening, closing, and removing your doors a real pain. You can try to delay the inevitable with grease or penetrating lubricants, but that gets messy. That's why we created Kentrol door hinge liners. They replace the failure-prone factory door bushings with black Delrin, an extremely durable low-friction plastic that makes door removal a pain-free job, and your doors will open and close smoother than ever. Best of all, Kentrol door hinge liners are maintenance-free and installation is easy. Just remove your doors. Use the included door bushing removal tool and a hammer to tap out the factory bushings. Then slide in your new Kentrol door hinge liners. Reinstall your doors and watch in awe as your doors move back and forth freely with no gritty grinding noises or threat of seizing up. Kentrol door hinge liners. Surround yourself with quality.